tech tip, we're going to talk about the two main components on the inside of a turbocharger: the turbine fins and the compressor fins. Now these are supported on a very thin shaft that connects the two together. The turbine is spun by an exhaust gas, which then spins the compressor wheel, which compresses the air to create boost. These fins can spin upwards of 200,000 RPMs. The shaft is supported by a bearing inside the housing itself. It's very important that clean oil reaches this bearing at all times. It's also important to have the correct viscosity oil so that the bearing is properly lubricated. The air filter is also something we want to talk about. If the air filter is the incorrect filter used and the filter breaks down, that filter material can damage these fins as they spin upwards of 200,000 RPMs. That's why it's so important to change your oil regularly and replace your air filters with the correct air filter used for the vehicle. Hopefully this gives you a better understanding of the internal components of a turbocharger and emphasizes the need for proper maintenance to maintain the longevity of the turbocharger unit.